Hey, what's up? My name's Nigel, and we are back at it with another wireless mic review from Comica. This is the Comica BoomX-U that you are listening to right now, and the U stands for UHF. So if you remember my last Comica wireless mic video I did, I'll put that somewhere up there. That was the BoomX-D, and that was a wireless microphone system that worked off a 2.4 gigahertz signal. So they just came out with this BoomX-U, which is a nice compact wireless microphone system that works off of the far more common UHF signal, which is what a lot of the professional wireless mics work off of, like the Sennheiser G4s. So what you're listening to me right now on is actually the built-in microphone on this transmitter of the Comica BoomX-U. So it kind of just occurred to me what this little antenna on the transmitter could be used for. And I've seen this done with the Rode Wireless Go's a lot, where people will plug their Rode Video Micro up to a Rode Wireless Go and then have like a wireless boom mic set up. Now, that's really cool, and I feel like that's going to become a lot more normal for people trying to get more like, boom mic setups without having to run the cables. So adding this little antenna here to give you a better signal performance when you're doing, shots like this, where I'm a good 20 feet away from my camera right now, and I'm still able to get a pretty clean signal.